no sound. There is no sound. There is no sound. Well, there is. I'm like, there's no sound. There we go. There is sound. Siri, are you there? Siri. Siri, can you hear me? I hear the microphone not on my Mac, but on my PC, which I'm very confused because I don't see Siri.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Oh my God, you came. Siri, are you there? Siri, can you please open up the system folder? Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri, can you please open the system folder?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Yeah, could you please open the system folder? Can you please open the system folder, Siri? Can you hear me? Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Hi, are you listening? Yes, I'm here. I'm trying to speak into the microphone. I don't know if it's working or not. Okay, I'm just going to leave it on. I'm just going to leave it on.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Can you hear me, Siri? Isn't this wonderful? Siri, can you open up the system folder for me? Siri, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Siri?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Yes, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Siri? Hey, Siri. Why is it vibrating like that? What the hell? You see how the text is flickering? Like it's bouncing. Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri. Uh-huh. It's Microsoft. Microsoft. looks like it's screencasting for some reason. It looks like there's used as a separate display. No, I don't know. Okay, here's Siri right there. Hi, Siri, can you hear me? Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri, can you hear me? This is interesting. Can you open up my system settings? Can Can you open up my system settings folder? Hi, Siri. Can you open up my um, applications folder?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Can you open up my applications folder, please? How's iTunes working? Lovely. Thank you for iTunes, Siri. Can you set up iTunes for me? Can you set up iTunes for me? Hmm. Anyways, you get the idea. Enjoy.